Hello everyone, welcome back guys. So dear students, this is the second video of this series, tricks for faster calculations in CUET 2022, right? So in the last video, I have already discussed how to find the squares up to 75, right, orally, and how to multiply two-digit numbers. So in this video, we'll learn how to square the numbers less than 100, or you can say between 75 to 100 or 100 to 125, and how to multiply the numbers, two different numbers, just less than 100 or just more than 100, right? So we'll learn all these things in this video. So first one, how to find the squares of numbers less than 100, or you can say between 75 to 100, right? For example, let's say take this example B, the number is like 91. So you can do two things here. You can do two things here, guys. You have to find 91 square. So there are two methods to find the square of 91. Let's say method 1 and method 2. You can use any of the method. So what is method 1? तो जैसे कि हमने up to 75 में क्या कर रहे थे, 50 के रेस्पेक्ट में देख रहे थे, where we'll see कि number is how much less than 100. वहां देख रहे थे less than 50. We'll see कि number is how much less than 100, right? And the last two digits of the square of number should be same as x square. So last two digits of here n is 91. Here n is 91. So last two digits of n square should be same as x square, right? And to get the remaining digits, just subtract x from the number, right? Let's say this is the first step, this is the second step. वहां क्या कर रहे थे हम 50 के रेस्पेक्ट में देख रहे थे और 25 से माइनस कर रहे थे, बट यहाँ पर हम 100 के रेस्पेक्ट में देखेंगे कि नंबर कितना लेस देन है, टू गेट द लास्ट टू डिजिट्स, और टू गेट द रिमेनिंग डिजिट्स हम नंबर में से x माइनस करेंगे, राइट? x इज व्हाट 100 माइनस x. सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ एग्जांपल. So here you have to find 91 square. So guys, what is 91 square? So first we'll see कि 91 is how much less than 100. 91 is how much less than 100? 9 less than, right? 91 is 9 less than 100. So last two digits of 9 is 91 square should be same as 9 square. 9 square is 81. So the last two digits of 91 square कितना आएगा? 81. To get the remaining digits, what we'll do? As I've told you, number से 91 से minus करेंगे 9 को, right? To get the remaining digits. 91 minus 9 is what? 8. So 91 square is what? 8281. Got it, guys? 91 square is 8281. So easy. For example, 91 square. Let's say example is 91 square. So 94 square. 94 square. What is 94 square? What to do? First we'll see. Let's say number is 94 here. So first we will see that 94 is how much less than 100. So 94 is 6 less than 100. 6 less than 100. So last two digits of 94 square should be same as 6 square, means 36. And to get the remaining digits, number से minus करेंगे 6. 94 minus 6. 94 minus 6 is 88. 94 square is 8836. So this is the method one to find the square of any number that is between 75 to 100, right? Second method, you can also use second method. What is the second method? 90. Let's say take this example. What is 91 square? What is 91 square? So guys, 91 square means 91 into 91. Write down it as 91 into 91. 91 into 91, right? Either you can multiply, as I've told you in the last session, how to multiply two-digit numbers, right? You can either use this one, or what we can do, देखो ध्यान से कि हम देखेंगे 91 is how much less than 100. तो कितना less than 100 है? 9 less than 100. तो use minus 9. Similarly 91 same number है, देखेंगे कितना less है 100 से minus 9. To get the last two digits, just multiply these two. Just multiply these two. Minus 9 and minus 9. Minus 9 into minus 9 is what? 81. 81. And to get the remaining digits, either add this one or this one. Both are same things. तो 91 minus 9 कर दो, 91 minus, both are same things ना. ऐसा इसलिए बता रहा हूँ because ये help करेगा to डिफरेंट नंबर्स का प्रोडक्ट फाइंड करने के लिए दिस मेथड 91 minus 9 is what 91 minus 9 is what 82 so 91 square guys 91 square is 8281 लो फर्स्ट मेथड से भी सेम था सेकंड मेथड से सेम 8281 देखिएगा मेथड 2 94 square 8836 we have already find by method 1 method 2 क्या है write down this like 94 94 94 94 means minus 6 minus 6 minus 6 less than 100 minus 6 less than 100 to get the last two digits just to get the last two digits just multiply these two minus 6 and minus 6 what you will get minus 6 into minus 6 plus 36 so 94 square is what this is the last two digits of 94 square to get the remaining digits either at this one or this one both are same things basically 94 minus 6 is 88 so 94 square is 8836 got it guys got it all of you so let me take two more examples let's say what is 98 square and what is 88 square this one is for you guys तुम लोग solve करना 98 square and 88 square so दोनों मेथड से कर लेते हैं so 98 is how much less than 102 so last two digits of 92 square should be same as 2 square means 04 04 to get the last two digits just subtract 2 from 98 98 minus 2 is 96 so 98 square is 9604 guys 9604 method 2 write down this like 98 is 2 less than 100 this one 2 less than 100 to get the last two digits just multiply these two minus 2 into minus 2 is 4 but you have to write last two digits means 04 98 minus 2 is 9604 right similarly 88 square 88 is 12 less than 100 12 less than 100 so last two digits of and 12 square minus 12 square is 144 so last two digits of 88 square should be same as 12 square kitna last two digits 44 and one is carryover now to get the remaining digits just subtract 12 from 88 88 minus 12 is what 76 carryover 1 is 77 76 carryover 1 77 88 square is 7744 second method write down 88 is like 88 this is 12 less than 100 12 less than 100 less than with negative sign you have to consider right minus 12 into minus 12 plus 144 last two digit should be 44 one is carryover 88 minus 12 is 76 carryover 1 7744 so guys in this way you can easily find the square of any number that is between 75 to 100 right in next video we'll discuss how to find the square of any number that is between 100 to 125 and how to multiply two different numbers that are close to 100 right like 92 into 94 एक मेथड तो हमें मालूम है right second method we'll discuss in the next video so guys keep watching guys we'll meet in the next video bye bye everyone thank you so please like this video अगर आपको पसंद आया हो तो right or just subscribe our channel to get regular updates bye bye everyone take care thank you